Alright, this is the fuel tank fitting setup on the G20, and number 5, I bent that tube, and I'm also wondering, and it looks like I should cut the tubes down. They're kind of long. Then this G20, this tank fitting looks like it covers over the whole mouth of the tank. And this might be why mine won't snap down. And let's see. And I also don't have, it's not showing here. Let me go. Let's walk in the room. Now here's the G20, and look at this. It's like how they show in the manual, and like I said, I believe these lines are too long. I need to cut them down because the clunk line is in there at the end of this. But anyway, but it looks like something needs to go over that so that it fits over this here. And then also, I don't see the, well, I guess this might be something else separate you have to buy, but there's a spectrum sensor that mounts right about there on the back of the motor. About right there. And I believe I'm going to need that if I'm going to use the Skookum gyro rather than the Skookum gyro governor rather than the using the stator gator. And so I'm hoping this is just another fuel overflow on the carburetor. And the other question I had, oh, anyway, I also just started setting up the linkages on this. I have to connect the BEC after I get the radio. So I can start programming the gyro, but still got to order a few more servo screws, and I have to pull all these off, of course, before I let this initialize or damage the servos. And I also have to hook up the throttle servo. I believe I'm gonna order a metal arm for that. But oh yeah, and also I'm gonna get a three-way fuel filter so I can run it to the fuel dock in the front, so you can have fuel it up, fill up the gas tank through this thing over here. When you take that little chrome plug off, fuel goes to there, and still got to finish running these wires and setting these wires up to these switches into the ignition module in here, etc. But for now, if you guys can help me answer those questions about this, should it be an extra accessory to keep that attached, and should I get the Spectrum backplate sensor for the governor? Yeah, I think that's it. And do I need to cut these copper lines down? I believe so. They look too long. But and do you, if you know Also, if there's an extra piece that goes around here to keep this snugged in there. Thank you.